and hello, sir and madam. My name is Mary Joy Rodriguez and Daniel. I am 43 years old. I am a Filipino citizen and my religion is Christian. I have a daughter and I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters. I took a Bachelor of Science, Commerce, major in Business Management undergraduate. I have an experience as domestic helper in Hong Kong and Romania. My duties and responsibilities are marketing, cooking, ironing, and washing, and of course, taking care of babies and children. My duties and responsibilities for babies are feeding them, giving them milk, changing the diaper if necessary, giving medicine and vitamins prescribed as a doctor, and playing with them, of course, singing at the same times like, "You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy, the skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away." And about my duties and responsibilities for children. To pick up them and taking them in the school, tutoring them, feeding them, give them in a proper meal, supervising them to give them a bath, and tutoring them. Giving also medicine and vitamins as prescribed by the doctor. I love cooking, I love baking, making cookies, making banana cake and carrot cake too. And I have experienced also driving just a little bit. For the last message for my sir and mom, please hire me, choose me as your domestic helper, and I will promise that my duties and responsibilities and my 2 years contract, I will finish it. Good day.